Hello from Slovenia again. I have my spinner here and I will test some Pebeo pouring medium today. I will just check my paints and then I will add some silicone. So I mixed my paints with Pebeo pouring medium. It's expensive, but I just think, and I have this Pebeo silicone oil, and I think that, just a second, I will add just one drop to each of my paints, and I have two in gold. Let's do two in all of them. This is the first time that I am using Pebeo pouring medium, and the first time that I'm using Pebeo silicone oil. And all these paints, this is Pebeo iridescent blue-green and Pebeo iridescent precious gold. This is so weird, consistency is so different. And this is Pebeo cobalt, dark cobalt hue, but I added a little bit of Payne's gray to darken it up a little bit, because I want to have a little darker shade. And this is primary Pebeo primary yellow. And I just thought, I mixed some of my Vallejo pouring pearl medium and titanium white too, so I was just thinking to add a little of that one too. I just see like that silicone wants to sit just on top of the paints. I don't know, I hope that I mixed it enough. So I will just pour some black here in this open cup and a little bit around. I had too much color probably few times that I did this, but I don't know. Maybe I should do a better circle with this black too. That paint will flow a little evenly, I don't know. I didn't pour it for quite some time, and today I'm playing with this, because we celebrated birthdays and me and Drago has some things to do, so I didn't even answer on the comments and emails because I just didn't have time. Really didn't, because I have some things to do, and then it was late and so on, so sorry, but I didn't do it. So which color I want to use first? Let's add some of this purple maybe. Really weird consistency for my taste. And some gold. Whoop! And why my paint doesn't flow? and some of this blue. And let's add this yellow. And some, I will add some pearl white here. Let's see. And gold again. Violet, probably I should add violet there. And blue. Some strange things happening. I will just try to bring you a little closer, just a second. I forgot. Yellow, and I don't want to have this yellow on the top probably, so I will add some white, pearl white, and some black on top of this white. Even the consistency is totally different, so I really don't know what will happen. We'll just try to wet this down, just to wet my canvas down a little bit. And I already can see some cells popping through, but they are not, I don't know. I don't know. But you know me, I like to experiment, and I like to play with paints and consistencies and techniques and different things, so I had this Pebeo medium for quite some time, but I just didn't use it. You see some weird cells going on here, and I will grab my glove for the middle. And these cells are looking really, really weird. Maybe I will torch this a little bit. Maybe I shouldn't have add pearl white. I don't know. Because those cells are pretty cool, but not this one and this one. But we will see what will happen. So let's dip this. And I didn't do a good job again. See, it's not so easy to dip evenly, because if you press a little harder on one side, you will get see, have to fix this part definitely. So try to bring a little of this in. Okay, better. Hope so. But I don't know if I want to tilt this middle part. Torch. But the cells looks like with the bloom technique, kind of, you see. I wish that you could tell me, should I leave this middle part? I think that I will. And I just think that I will water down a little bit this black and pour it around, because I think that I need a little more paint around, that this will flow nicely off the canvas. So, because I kind of like some things in this painting. Let's see what will happen if I just torch a little bit. Let's see. I will go slowly this time. Maybe. I just want to get rid of this part here if I can. No, it's still there. Okay, I will leave it now. Because it's kind of interesting, so maybe this Pebeo pouring medium is not bad at all. I just have to wipe my floor a little bit. Wow, because some of those, it's almost like lacing in some parts. And I kind of like this negative space, gold negative space. I will try to, I'm a little tempted to torch it, but I will not. So interesting. Let me take it down. I don't like this big yellow cell here and this one, but you just can't have all. I think that it's quite nice. So this is what I was talking about, you see? It's almost like a lacing with a bloom technique. See? And some weird cells, of course. Maybe this is the big yellow cell that I don't like. Maybe I should try this again without yellow, just with the violet and this blue and gold and pearl white, because I don't know, maybe the pearl white is the one that creates this lacing. But see, this is the part that I was tempted to torch, and this part here, and this part here, but I will not, because I will get these little cells in those other cells, and I don't like that. Maybe I will just touch this middle a little bit, and then it will be done. So what do you think, guys, about this mixture? Pebeo silicone oil and Pebeo pouring medium and Pebeo paints. See, I find this quite interesting. So as I said, I'm sorry that I wasn't here last few days, but sometimes real life hits us and we have to do something, and we don't have time to do different things for YouTube and other social media. So I'm back like Terminator. Tell me what you think, and see you on the next one. Bye.